If I play this last recording, it should play through my phone. It does not. Alright, so this is day 2 of trying to do something with these. I've got my code pulled up from the last video. I don't think I showed much of it, but this is basically the boilerplate code that Claude gave me with the fixes I have in place, since it's provided some like mistypings and non-existent imports and stuff like that. So this is still all very new to me. I'm gonna try and navigate and document this journey. First, I need a goal to accomplish. I'm not sure what that should be. I do have something in mind where I want to just say something in these glasses to do something with my smart home devices. So for example, like, could you change the temperature on the second floor to 70 degrees from 72 or something? I'm not sure. Or maybe if I had like Alexa set up and Alexa integration between this and my Alexa device, I could say turn the light off or turn it to blue in the living room or something like that. Other than that, I don't really have any other ideas. I just want to see like what the limits are of this thing and see what I can build in basically a short amount of time. From what I've seen, a lot of people are using these glasses for AI content or taking pictures or like what the weather is like or what's the weather right now. But the capabilities of these glasses, from what I'm finding out just from using them and integrating, is it can be more than just like generating content. Like you can connect these to smart devices in your home. I know there's like companies that are building, I think with the display version, there's like a golf company. I'm not really inclined in golf, so I'm not really sure what the terms are, but it seems like what they're doing is pretty cool. That use case to me seems like, oh, I'm this distance from the hole and the wind is, I don't know, 7 miles per hour. So what's like an optimal shot power or something like that? I'm like trying to speak from golf games, but anyways, it seems pretty cool. So this video is going to be me trying to do something useful with the glasses. Right now I have them connected to my phone and I can stream, and I think I have audio captured as well, but I want to take that audio or whatever that audio is translated into and turn it into a command that I can send to one of my servers, and that server process it as a command to one of my smart home devices. With security in mind, I don't think that I want to do it in a cloud service right now, so I could pull out my Raspberry Pi and do some tinkering with that, or I can do, I don't know, some local testing. But then again, I don't really know how I'm going to mock like a home system. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, so I'm going to try and capture audio from the glasses and capture it somewhere. Oh my God. Is there like something happening? 429. Do I have to sign in? Maybe maybe I had to log in to view it or something. I don't know. Yep, I think that was it. Cool. I know it's black and white. Let me try and center it. So replace. It's me and my brothers. white screen. Okay, cool. So now I will try. I don't think anything's happening. Okay, test. Maybe that works. So I stopped the recording and we'll play the last one. Okay, failed to set properties, session core MM. New error, but good, I guess. No, the parse packets. Start recording again. Test, 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 test. Okay, so I got another recording right there, and I will play it. Come on. No, nothing. All right, gonna try something else. All right, so I got it to work, but the audio, the playback audio is coming in through the glasses. Okay, cool. Registered, I think. I always like don't know whether or not it's doing the thing that I want it to do when it's like in prototype mode or proof of concept mode, but we'll just go with it. So I'll start recording right there. So it should be picking up my voice, and I'll tap on the glasses. I think the microphone is here, or right here, somewhere. All right, cool. All right, moment of truth. If I play recording, so my volume is up. Okay, yeah. If I play this last recording, it should play through my phone. It does not. Okay, let's go back. I'll go back to that. Because that worked, but Jesus. All right, doing it again. All right, so I'm gonna mute my microphone. Okay, so I stopped it. The audio should come through my my glasses, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it, but maybe I'll just hold on. I'll put it next to the speaker. I'll hit. Let's see if I can do this. I'll do play last recording and microphone right here. Test, test, test. I am hoping this picks up my voice, but I am not sure. Sick. All right, so I hit that goal. Next goal is going to be doing something with that audio. I don't know, I gotta save it somewhere and then get it translated into a command. Thinking about, I don't know, multiple applications. Like, first thing that comes to mind is smart home things like Alexa. So maybe take that audio, send it to Alexa. I've never worked with Alexa's API, so I don't know about the nuances there. I don't even know if it's possible. So there's some learning to happen there, but I got audio captured, and the next step will be to send it somewhere or translate it. All right, so the last recording I did, I thought the app was picking up audio from my glasses. That actually didn't happen, and it was because I had some settings incorrectly over here and also over here. So quick rundown, I had to go back to what I had earlier, like play and record and default the speaker, and over here setting the available input to the Bluetooth HFP, which forces the mic audio, the mic input to be in from the glasses. Since I had my phone right next to me while I was doing the audio test, I thought I was recording through the glasses, but it was actually recording through my phone. So I did rebuild the app, and I'll do start recording. I'll leave my phone here, and I'll go to the other end of the room, and I'll whisper. All right, so I am back. I'll stop that recording, and then I'll play it. I'm gonna play it. So I'll leave it here. Oops. So I am currently in the closet, and hopefully it sounds so creepy. The glasses pick up my voice. I'm far away from the phone, so the phone shouldn't be able to hear me. And yeah, we'll see how this turns out. So I'm walking back now. All right, so I am back. All right, cool. Now I'm done. All right.